Hello. Now we can look at this equation, that is 65x minus 33y is equal to 97, and the second equation is 33x minus 65y is equal to 1. Here we can see that the coefficient of x is matching the coefficient of y, and the coefficient of this y is matching the coefficient of this x. So such sum, how do we solve? First, once we will add these two equation 1 and equation 2. So add equation 1 and 2. So when we add equation 1 and 2, we will see we get 65 plus 33 is 98x. And minus minus plus 65 plus 33 is 98. Y with the minus sign because 65 is greater is equal to 97 plus 1, 98. Okay. Now we can see here we have 98, 98. So we will take 98 common and this will turn out to be x minus y inside the bracket is equal to 98. 98, this is multiply. 98 will take to the other side of the equation. It will become x minus y is equal to 98 divided by 98, that is 1. So our first equation will turn out to be x minus y is equal to 1. This will become my another equation. Let it be third equation. Now the second thing what we will do, we will subtract equation 2 from 1. We will subtract equation 2, this equation from this equation. So how do we subtract? We write down the equations. Is equal to 97, 33x minus 65y is equal to 1. Now we are subtracting the two equation. So what it will become? When we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we change the sign of the second equation. So this is plus 33, it becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So this will become 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 3, 32x, plus this has now 65 is plus, it's not minus. So plus minus minus, we know that 65 minus 33. This will also become 32 with a plus sign, 32y, and 97 minus, this is minus 1, so this will become 96. Again 32 will become common because this is in both the terms. So first term will be left with x and the second term will be left with y is equal to 96. So x plus y is equal to 96, 32 goes that side and it becomes divide because here it is multiply. So this will become 3. 32 into 3 is 96. So this will become my equation number, say, 4th. Now we will solve equation number 3 and equation number 4. So this will become x minus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 3. Plus and minus y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. So x will become 4 by 2, that is 2. Now putting the value of x in any of this equation, it will become, let's put it in equation number, this equation, I'm putting the value in x plus y is equal to 3. So this will become 2 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3, 2 goes to the other side of the equation and becomes minus. So y is equal to 1. This is how we solve such kind of equations.